Here is our 3D pen. The green light is blinking because it is warming up. When you first plug it in, you're going to press the button down twice, and that's going to tell it to warm up and prepare to actually print. The speed of the PLA coming out of it is going to be judged right here. You can adjust the temperature under here. I haven't adjusted mine, it comes stock ready for PLA. I don't know what else you would really be using other than PLA. Now, what I'm going to do is take this nice little miniature I've got here. You can see I've accidentally broken a foot off. Here is said foot, and I'm going to use the PLA to bond the foot to the model. I won't really be able to film it while I'm doing that because it is very hard to hold the camera and use this pen, but I will put up a picture.
Alright, go.
Yeah.
Go.
Thumbs up.
Okay, now I'm low.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Alicia, sheets up.
What are you taking?
I'm doing a video of you using the 3D pen.
Oh.
You can't kill me anymore.